Are you ready to order, sir?
Yes, I'll have the beef stew for starters, and my wife would like tomato soup.
1 beef stew and 1 tomato soup. What would you like for the main course?
I'll have the Cayenne Pepper Steak, and my wife would like the Fried Trout with mashed potatoes.
I'm afraid the trout is off.
Oh dear. What else do you recommend?
The sole is very good.
OK, I'll have that. Do you have any coleslaw?
No, I'm sorry, we don't.
Just give me a small mixed salad then.
Same for me.
Certainly. Would you like something to drink?
Yes, please. May I see the wine list?
Certainly. Here you are.
A bottle of Chablis 99, please.
Excellent choice.